Welcome to the training and thank you for being here today. In this training, we'll show you how to assemble the flag. You will need to zip ties, 2 O-rings, and the gold ball. Let's start by placing both O-rings. The purpose of the O-rings is to keep the flag extended. Place the first one at the bottom. Next, place the second one at the top. But remember to leave some space between the O-ring and the gold ball. Next, you need to place the gold ball. Twisting it as you insert can help it go in more smoothly. Between the gold ball and the O-ring, we'll attach the flag using the zip tie. Remember that the canton must be at the top of the pole, so we'll attach that end first. Pass the zip tie through the grommet. Make sure the smooth side of the zip tie is facing the pole, so it's easy to trim later. And position the zip tie between the gold ball and the O-ring. Now that we've secured the top part, we'll repeat the process with the bottom part. For the bottom part of the flag, remember to place the zip tie below the O-ring, since the O-ring will hold the flag in place along with the zip tie. Now you can trim the zip tie, and your flag is ready to be stored and taken to the field. It is very important to make sure the flags are completely dry before storing them to prevent damage and preserve their durability. If they are still wet, wait until they are completely dry. To store the flags, we lay them horizontally and roll them up. This helps prevent wrinkles during transportation. Whenever possible, try to keep it wrinkle-free. Once it's rolled up, you can secure it with a rubber band and repeat the same process with each flag.